Welcome back. Well, for those of you like me who've never owned a 2011 before and tried to take it down and had a problem, this is for you. I looked on the internet, couldn't find any videos on this, so here's how to take down a 2011. So first you get rid of the mag, make sure it's empty, bring it back, and you gotta, other side maybe, line this up, pop out the there we go. Pop out the disassembly handle. Okay, take off the slide. Then you can clean this. And now, how do you get the barrel out? So this is how I do it, because you have to have a disassembly tool of some sort. An Allen wrench or a disassembly tool. I got some I've made out of old Allen wrenches. So this is what you do. You push the spring forward until you get to the hole that's in there. You stick your disassembly tool in the hole. Oop, let me use my improvise. This one's too big. Little Allen wrench that I bent at a 90. And then you can just pull the spring out just like that. Then you can get to the barrel, pull the barrel out, and you can clean it. And then to put it back together, you just get the spring again, get the barrel in place, slide the spring forward, remove the disassembly tool, carefully slide the captured spring back, and there you go. Then reassemble the pistol. Check that you're aligned. Reinsert your takedown lever. All done.